Hello and welcome to Jobs and Education. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole. This video provides you welding symbols. Welding symbols are very important in machine drawing as well as production drawing. So what exactly mean by welding? It is a fabrication or sculptural process that joins materials, usually metals or thermoplastics, by using high heat to melt the parts together and allowing them to cool, causing fusion. So very simple that welding is nothing but it is a permanent fastening. So permanent fastening means we can join two metals permanently with the help of high heat. So welding symbols are of three different kinds. One is elementary type and supplementary welding symbols. Elementary and supplementary combined symbols. So elementary welding symbols are classified into butt welds, fillet welds, spot or seam welds, plug or slot welds, edge welds. So what exactly mean by butt welding? It is used to attach two pieces of metal together, such as pipe, a framework in factories, and also flanges. Let's take this example. This is one piece, this is second piece. These two are joining here with the help of a welding, that is nothing but butt weld. Means when two plates are keeping side by side and welding together, this is called as butt welding. So these are the different type of butt weld symbols. Let's see, this is the butt weld between plates with raised edges, and this is square butt weld. This is a single V butt weld. This is single bevel butt weld. This is single V butt weld with broad root face, and this is single bevel butt weld with broad root face. This is single U butt weld, parallel or sloping sides, and this is J type butt weld, single J type. So these all are different type of butt welds in welding. So this is another type like backing weld or backing run. A backing weld is when you use a metal or ceramic plate back upon the usually beveled joint backside being welded so as to absorb some of the heat and avoid too much melt through. So this is a symbol of backing weld or backing run. So we can see this, this is a welding. At the bottom we can see this symbol. This is backing weld or backing run. Next type is fillet weld. Fillet welding refers to the process of joining two pieces of metal together when they are perpendicular or at an angle. Let's say these two plates are perpendicular. Here we are joining with the welding. So these welds are commonly referred to as T-joints sometimes. So this is a symbol of fillet weld. Next is plug weld. So plug welds are a round weld that is made inside of an existing hole, most commonly in one piece of metal, welding that piece to another member. So this is a symbol of plug weld. Here we can see very simple. So these are the examples of plug welding. Next type is spot welding. Spot welding is a resistance welding process that is used primarily for welding two or more metal sheets together by applying pressure and heat to the weld area. Let's observe this one. Two sheets are welding with the help of spotting, that is nothing but spot welding. Next is seam welding. Seam welding is the process of joining two similar or dissimilar materials at the seam by the use of electric current and pressure. This is what the seam welding process. So this is a symbol of seam welding. So this is the total table about elementary welding symbols. It covers every type of elementary. Up to this is butt weld. Up to this, these are butt weld. Next, this is backing weld or backing. This is fillet weld. This is plug weld, spot weld, seam weld. So these all are nothing but elementary welding symbols. Next is supplementary welding symbols. So supplementary welding symbols are three are there. First one is flat, and second is convex, and third is concave. So three different supplementary welding symbols are there. Flat, convex, concave. Don't confuse in these two. This is convex, this is concave. Next is combination of elementary and supplementary symbols. So first one is flat single V butt weld. So V is there, flat is there. So flat single V butt weld. Next is convex double V butt weld. So this side one V, this side another V, and this is convex. Next, concave fillet weld. This is fillet weld symbol plus concave. Next one is flat single V butt weld with a flat backing run. Look at this. So if you know individually backing run and V butt weld and flat, if you join those symbols you will get that. So this is all about the different symbols used in welding. So mainly three types are there: elementary, supplementary and elementary and supplementary. Three types are there. We seen every welding symbol here. Very important for exam point of view in production drawing as well as machine drawing for diploma mechanical engineering students as well as BTech mechanical engineering students. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole.